Hello and welcome. My name is Sheyi Adesanya. This broadcast is titled The Irony of Being Led to Freedom by the Enemy. A couple of days back, precisely on the 28th of May 2022, the Federal High Court in Abuja approved the hearing for referendum to determine the fate of different nations in Nigeria. The suit was instituted by a group referred to as the Coalition of Northern Groups, CNG. This suit, according to the Northern Group, is a bid to let every nation in Nigeria make decision on whether to leave Nigeria or to stay. Sequel to this, a group referred to as Yoruba Nation Global Directorate issued a press statement indicating that the Yoruba Nation has been joined to the case instituted by the Northern Elders. This case, according to the Global Directorate, was filed on behalf of themselves and the entire Yoruba Nation to enable the court decide once and for all the vexed issues of referendum. To start with, one wonders if the decision to be joined in the said suit is a collective decision of all Yorubas. 2. Does it not call for worry to know that this suit was instituted by a northern group that has always been opposed to the exit of other sections of the country? 3. Is it not obvious that Nigeria is already a failed state? Another question that readily comes to mind is, how sincere is this northern group? Again, the Fulanis are at it with their usual machination and antics to divide and conquer. Unfortunately, do we say that the members of the Yoruba Nation Global Directorate, who are supposed to be lawyers, cannot see the game plan? Or are they complicit? Food for thought. Suffice us to know that referendum, though not entrenched in the Nigerian Constitution, if allowed to take place, will definitely be skewed or manipulated against us by some powerful countries with special interest in Nigeria. Before now, we, at our own level, have made frantic efforts to get our people to stop the use of referendum. The move by this northern group is a bait which we should not fall for, except we are working for one Nigeria. I wish to refer us to a publication by the Yoruba Frontier Movement on the danger for Yoruba tribe to accept referendum, part 1. Straight exit is the only solution. Thank you and God bless.